Hello there. So you want to know how you can recover your Ubisoft account without an email or a phone? This is a very rare case. However, it could happen when, let's say, for example, a hacker hacks into your account, changes it completely. Then the only way you can fix it is going to be by contacting the support. So I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. Simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply search for Ubisoft. Once you've searched for ubisoft.com, you're going to be on this page right over here, where on the top right, you're going to click on this icon right over here. Once you've clicked on that, simply click on can't log in down over here. And once you've done that, just click on I have a login error. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here, and then simply go ahead and click on contact us down over here. Now you need to simply go ahead and click on account and management security, and then simply go ahead and click on account login and recovery. Now, once you've done that, simply enter your contact email, your Ubisoft username that you had, write the email that was associated with your last account, write the reason of recovering your account, go ahead and add your PC activation key if you have it as well, and simply go ahead and write your username, and you can select other platform that it was connected to as well. You can also write complete details and then finally submit a request, and they will be in contact with you on the email that you provided. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.